Number 4, the same politician is in a foreign army base in, let's just say, a Muslim country, a country that we have been villainizing and demonizing for a long time. And they are working with the people, and they are turning that army base. By the way, it's a fraction of the resources that we are using for war. A fraction of those resources, 1% of the military-industrial complex would create peace on Earth in no time. The main thing is taking out the poison, which is the military-industrial complex. That's one of the many. It's all one. It's evil at the top. It's BlackRock investing in the destruction of our world at the top. It's all the same thing, run by a computer named Aladdin. So imagine now this politician is surrounded by wonderful generals and colonels and all the different people in the military. And those people have put down their guns. They have exchanged the lead seeds of liberty for true seeds of liberty, the fruit tree seeds and the plant seeds. And they're in this army base, and they're creating a nursery, a Garden of Eden. And they take, let's say, 12 months as they're coming home, bit by bit by bit. And within 12 months, that Garden of Eden is handed over with the most sincere apology, not from our actions, but from the predecessors who have done so much harm. And it is truly not our need to apologize for people who are not us, but I think the act of sincerely letting those countries know, those communities know that we are different. And here's the proof. We are going to demonstrate our difference, our ascension in awareness, our thoughtfulness. We are going to demonstrate it in the most profound way. We are going to leave them the Garden of Eden, and we are going to train and teach whoever wants to learn in that community how to propagate plants, how to use that nursery and all of the water catchment and energy storage and all of the different components to create freedom and abundance in their communities. That is an act that will change the world. What do you think? Those are a few. I'm going to probably pull in one or two more. In fact, I will. I've got one or two more.